Hi all, this is Surya, working in Dr.SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Department of Computer Science Full Stack Web Development. Today we are going to see about operating system functions. Functions of operating system. Program development. Example, editors and debuggers. Program execution. Access I/O device, that is I/O is input and output devices, and controlling access to input and output devices. Error detection and response. Performance maintaining. The OS as a user computer interface. OS provides service in following areas: program development, program execution, access to I/O device, controlled access to files, system access, error detection and response, accounting, instruction set architecture, application binary interface, application programming interface. Operating system is a resource manager. OS is responsible for managing resource for movement, storage, processing and control. By managing OS is controller of these resources. OS has control mechanism which is unusual in two aspects. OS function in same way as ordinary computer software, that is the program or software suite of program executed by the processors. The OS frequently relinquish the control and depends on the process to regain the control. How OS differs? So how OS differs from other computer programs? It is direct the processor's use of other system resources. It makes processor to coordinate and work with other resources. If processor wants to do any other program, it sees the execution of OS program and do. The OS relinquish the control and prepare processor to do next useful task. A part of OS remains in the main memory known as kernel and nucleus, which contains most frequent used program, the user program and the data. And here there are hardware features. Hardware features by monitor apart from fetching in size and language control. Memory protection. When user program in under execution, it must not attempt to access the other program memory, and hardware detects errors and transfer control. The monitor. The monitor observes job with an error message and takes up the next job. Timer. To avoid the job monopolizing the processor, it says a timer to beginning the job. Timer expires using job is stopped and control transferred to the monitor. Privilege instruction. Few special privilege instructions are executed under monitor mode, such as instructions are happen to attempt by user, control transfer in monitor. And time sharing system. In 1916, program need dedicated computers, which was not possible as to its costly those days. Application with more user interaction needs dedicated computer. Multi-programming designed to handle multiple interactive job refers as time slipping. Compatibility time sharing system CTS1. First time sharing operating development MIT by the group known as Project AMAC. 32,036 bits words of main memory instance monitor consuming 5,000 to simplify the monitor memory management, and 5,000 word times linking system clock 0.2 seconds and to interrupt the OS regain control. Another user regular time interval current would be preempt and another user loaded old program and data will return to the disk old and restored in the main memory program was next given a turn. Growth is use of time sharing system. More recently, computer network has brought with the growth in concern for protecting information. Much of the work is security and protection. It leaves the operating system can roughly grouped into four category: availability, confidentiality, data integrity and authenticity. A key responsibility of OS is to manage various resources available to it: memory, main memory space, I/O device processes. Any resource allocations and scheduling policy must consider three figures. That is, major elements of OS involved in the scheduling process, allocating resources, multi-programming environment. And thank you all for this session.